What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. Now, as you can tell by the title of this video, we'll be unboxing and starting up the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro and installing them in the tactical VRS Design Active Fit case. Now, as for this video, it's featured on the newly created Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro playlist, since there will be much more to cover in the future about this hardware. As always, we only feature products or services I buy, use, or am interested in, and you can find the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro related items and items shown in this video at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro unboxing, and the lid is going to slide off nice and smooth once we've cut the seal tape on the underside of the packaging. Now first we have our product information, which may be stuck in the lid of the box. Then we have the Buds 2 Pro with charging case inside. In front of the Buds 2 Pro we have a box. This box includes the USB-C to USB-C cable for charging the Buds 2 Pro, but the case can also be charged wirelessly. Also keep in mind this packaging doesn't include a power adapter, but if you are looking for a power adapter, you can find one at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. Now the colorway for the Buds 2 Pro is graphite, which means that we get a graphite case and graphite buds. Now again, we'll be looking to protect this kit, which is why we'll be installing the VRS Design Active Fit case. And the good news here is this case is backwards compatible with the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. This also means if you have a case from your Galaxy Buds 2, you can move it to the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, saving you some money and protecting the planet. Package contents include the two-piece kit, double-sided tape, carabiner clip, and product information. As for the case itself, it features a flexible tactical design which should aid with shock absorption. Now installation is going to be simple here. We're going to skip that double-sided tape because both case portions include lips that hold them securely in place to the Buds 2 Pro case. This will make case removal easier for cleaning. So as for install, we're going to grab the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, and then we're just going to press them into the bottom portion of the case. Then we'll take the case lid, and then we'll press that onto the top portion of the Buds 2 Pro case, and you can see we have this nice tactical look, and this is also going to open nice and easy. The VRS Fit Active also features a window on the front of the case so that you can see the LED charge indicator for the case itself to know how charged it is. And as for protection, we have almost 100% protection with only the back left exposed where we would have that USB-C port. And finally, we have the carabiner clip, which installs on the case eye. Once installed, this kit pairs perfectly with the Z Fold 4 with VRS Design TerraGuard and the Watch 5 Pro with Spigen Rugged Armor Pro to create this tough tactical look. And here we are with the startup, which works flawlessly when it comes to devices in the Samsung ecosystem. And this was seen with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro in our previous video. Now, in order to pair the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, you're going to need the Galaxy Wearable app. That's the app that we're in now. And to get started with pairing, we're going to tap on the three lines on the left side of the display here. And then we're going to tap on Add New Device. Now we're going to open the case here so that it can recognize the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. You can see that shows up right in the menu, and we're going to tap on it. And the app is going to connect to our earbuds. And then we're going to tap Pair. So as you can see, this works flawlessly. Now we're downloading the software to the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. And then we have some items to review here. I'm just going to tap all for the time being, and we're going to tap continue. And we're all set. So you can see this pairs really fast. It works flawlessly. If you're looking for something that's comparable to the Apple ecosystem, but you're like me and you don't want to get on the Apple bandwagon, the Galaxy ecosystem is the way to go. So that is it for today's video. Again, we're going to have a lot more content coming in regards to the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, which is why we have the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro playlist. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now there are three ways you can support the content. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can show your support is just by sharing this video with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can show your support is just by clicking the subscribe button. Now, liking and subscribing are important because those are ways to vote on whether you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out. Yeah.